Hi friends, let us do some simple derivatives using the rules of differentiation, basic rules of differentiation. We have f of s equal to under root s minus 1 by under root s plus 1. Basically, this is a function of s. So, d f of s by ds. This is what we have to do. Right, this is in the form of u by v. Right, u by v, then v u prime minus u v prime by v square. Right, u prime is derivative of u and v prime is derivative of v. Right, we have discussed this already. Here also it is in the form of u by v. Here also v du by dx minus u dv by dx whole by v square. Same thing applies here also. Right, if this is u, this is v. Instead of u, you can call this something else. Right, so the methodology is same. Let us use this methodology to find out derivatives of these functions. Okay, now here u by v. Let's take v du by ds. What is nothing but d by ds of root 2. What is root 2? X power half. What is this? Or s power half. S power half, which is nothing but half into s power half minus 1, which is minus half, which is nothing but 1 by 2 root s. Right? 1 by 2 root s minus this 1 is anyway constant, so we are not worried about this because derivative of constant function is 0. Right? Minus this is u v prime minus v u prime. What is v? Sorry. V u prime minus u v prime by v square. Right, v is this, u prime is this. What is u? Root s minus 1. And what is v prime? It's the same. Again, derivative of root s, 1 by 2 root s by v square, root s plus 1 whole square. Right, we have 1 by 2 root s common. Let's take 1 by 2 root s common outside. And then root s plus 1 minus root s minus 1. So this root s will get cancelled. We'll be left with 2 in the numerator. 2 by 2 root s into root s plus 1 whole square. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. We have 1 by root s into root s plus 1 whole square. So this is the derivative of this function. In this one, again, v u prime minus u v prime by v square. What is v? 2 root x into u prime. Derivative of 5x plus 1, which is nothing but 5 times x. 5 is anyway constant, dx by x is 1. So this is 5. Derivative of 5x plus 1 is 5. This is anyway constant. Minus u, which is 5x plus 1 times derivative of 1 by 2 root x. Sorry, derivative of v prime, which is 2 root x. Right, v u prime minus u v prime. V prime is d by dx of 2 root x, which is nothing but 2x power minus half. X power half. Derivative of this is 2 into half into x power half minus 1, which is minus half. Right, which is nothing but x power minus 2 or 1 by root x. That is this one. Right, v prime is 1 by root x by 2 root x whole square, which is nothing but 4x v square, that is. Right, now if we simplify this is 2 root x into 5, which is 10 root x. 2 5 is 10 root x minus 5x into 1 by root x, which is 5 root x. X by root x is root x, right? 5 root x minus 1 into 1 by root x, which is 1 by root x. 10 root x minus 5 root x is 5 root x minus 1 by root x. This root x, if we multiply here, it becomes 5x minus 1 by root x in the denominator. Root x, we can bring it here. 4x into root x, which is nothing but x into x power 1 by 2, which is x power 3 by 2. That is this. X power 3 by 2, the numerator is 5x minus 1. So this is the differential or derivative of this function. Right. Du by dx is actually equal to this one. That means the slope of this function at any point x can be calculated using this. If you substitute x, let's say the slope of this function at x equal to 1. If you want to find out, then if you substitute 1 here, you will get that slope. Right. Now here one more function, that is this one. This looks like product of two functions and product of two functions. But if you complete the product, then that will become a single quadratic equation, right? X square plus 3x plus 2, right? Then similarly, the denominator also, if we complete the product, we will get one single function. So these four functions we are converting into two functions and then applying the quotient rule, right? So this one x square plus 3x plus 2 and this one x square minus 3x plus 2. Again the same, v u prime minus u v prime by v square. Okay, what is v square? X minus 1 into x minus 2 whole square. And v u prime, v is x square minus 3x plus 2, u prime, which is nothing but 2x plus 3, right? This is x power n form and this is constant into x form, 2x plus 3. Similarly, u prime, what is u? X square plus 3x plus 2 into v prime. This is 2x minus 3, right? If you simplify this, what will you get? This one, x square into 2x is 2x cube, x square into 3 is 3x square, minus 3x into 2x minus 6x square, minus 3x into 3 which is minus 9x, 2 into 2x which is 4x, 2 into 3 which is 6. Similarly, minus of x square into 2x, 2x cube, x square into minus 3x square, 3x into 2x, 6x square, 3x into minus 3 which is minus 9x, 2 into 2x which is 4x, 2 into minus 3 which is minus 6. This 2x cube and minus of this 2x cube both will get cancelled, and 3x square minus 6x square which is minus 3x square and minus 9x plus 4x and minus 9x plus 4x both will get cancelled, right? These two also will get cancelled. This and this will get cancelled. These two and these two will get cancelled, and 6 minus of minus 6 which is this is minus 6 minus of minus 6, right? So from this side we have left with these two together minus 3x square plus 6 minus of, again these two together is 3x square minus this 6 which is nothing but minus 3x square plus 6, again minus 3x square, which will together these two will become minus 6x square, and 6 minus of minus 6 which is plus 12, 6 plus 6 which is 12, which is nothing but minus 6 into x square minus 2. That is our numerator. Denominator is as is, right? So basically this is the derivative of this function, right? That means this gives us the slope of this function for whatever x that we want, right? Obviously at x equal to 1, x equal to 2, this function is not even defined, so this domain doesn't include 1 or 2. So obviously here also 1 or 2 we cannot calculate the slope, right? At other places we can calculate the slope, and that is given by this function, right guys? So here we have used the quotient rule. In other places, in all these places we are using the quotient rule, right? Very simple ways of calculating derivatives. One very important thing that we have to remember, one is x power n, derivative of x power n is n x power n minus 1. N is any real number. That means it can be a square root, it can be rational, it can be irrational, it can be positive, negative, whatever. Right guys? Hope you like this.